Guys, it's happening. I'm on my way to pick up my new turbo for the Ricer Benz. Yeah, there it is. So I've been driving for about an hour and a half, 167 kilometers. Look at that fuel economy. That's freaking amazing. So happy I'm able to go with this car, because with the Ricer Benz I will be bankrupt from this trip. So I have about 25 minutes to go until I get to Cristo. He has some awesome builds and hopefully I can show you guys, but I just want to thank him in person for all the help he's given me, and then we'll go pick up the turbo. So wow, what a freaking cool guy, and his work is super impressive. He showed me 2 or 3 of his cars. He showed me a customer car. His work is exceptionally good. Make sure to check out his Facebook page. Awesome guy, and he knows his stuff. After I had a little chat with Cristo, I headed over. It was about a 5-minute drive from his place to the place where I bought the turbo, and there it is. So I'm just on the highway now, heading over to some drag racing. I haven't been to drag racing in forever. So yeah, once I get some food or stop somewhere, I will show you the turbo, and then hopefully we can see some racing. Right, so the drag strip is like 5 minutes that way. I'm a bit early, so let me show you the turbo. Oh dang it, this thing is heavy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Damn. Holy shit. Yeah, there it is. So the housing is an AR63 and the turbo is a GT35, and it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this turbo has a billet wheel. Not sure what that means, but I guess it's a bit better. Let's go watch some drag racing. Hey, awesome. I'm at Midvaal Raceway. So inside the pits actually. I have another like 20 minutes and then they should start at 3 o'clock. I'm just gonna wait around here and yeah, have a look around. It's pretty cool. I'm inside the pits. Let's get out and I'll show you around. How cool is that? W204's in the pits. Oh damn. Oh damn, look at that. This is so cool. Look at that. Racetrack. What the hell? What a freaking great day that was. I ended up staying until dark at the drag racing. Met some very cool people there that made me feel very welcome. Not a lot of cars, but it was still great for me. And the car's just been standing in the garage ever since I did the road trip. There's the footsteps from getting the thumbnail still on the car. But let me tell you what, that Ford Escort is a different animal. The camera doesn't do it any justice. The car is running 1.6 bar of boost and it's making 277 kilowatts to the front wheels, running on slicks. That thing is freaking crazy. It was awesome getting into that thing and feeling how it feels. I don't think I've ever felt anything like that before, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, the guy is actually running the exact same turbo as I'm going to run on this. And just look at that. How cool does that look? There's a lot of work that has to be done, and I guess in the next video I will start on the most difficult thing, and that is figuring out how I'm gonna build my own exhaust manifold or exhaust turbo manifold for the car. and then I guess we'll take it from there. But yeah, I'm very excited and I hope you guys are too. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.